Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a collage on the Photoleap application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on the home button down below and go to the top of the screen and tap on the collage option. Select the pictures that you want to add to your collage and tap on the add more photos button if you want to add more pictures. Then click on the done button in the upper right corner of the screen. Now as you have selected these pictures, tap on the relevant ones that you want to add until the checkmark icon appears at the top of these pictures. Then tap on the next button at the top. Now the images are being processed. So here they are organized into a collage, and feel free to position them within these frames by tapping on them and zooming in and out so that you can make them look smaller or bigger. If you tap on the image button, you can replace the pictures by other ones. You can add the frames such as these patterns, or you can add frames and change their color. You can select the ratio as well. Here are the preset options that you can choose from. So if you are done with editing your collage, tap on the export button down below in the upper right corner of the screen, and then you can select whether you want to save it to your gallery or share it on Facebook, Messenger, or other social networking sites. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.